Was driving at night and just saw the forest fire near the Shiv temple. This is the result of human greed and careless action taken by some people. Firstly, I tried to do it myself, but fire was huge, so I called the emergency response services. Thanks to HP fire services, they came in time and controlled the situation. With the help of some local people and HP fire service team, the situation was under control. My message was to aware the people who do these kind of stuff. Forest fire can be dangerous, so stop it. Thanks to Lord Shiva, at the end fire was stopped and situation was under control.